Hey guys, Dan here. I got these Animal Crossing keychains, and here's K slide. Here's the peanut one, and here's how many they had if you wanted to collect them all. I believe this guy's name is Butch, this one's name's Lottie, and this is Isabel. And I can see getting them all if you really liked Animal Crossing then, but I got these back in 2022, and I believe these are really cool because they're very detailed and all that. I can believe someone who loves the series would enjoy it. Well, goodbye.